Hi, I'm Eleanor. Today's video lesson is about using prepositions of place. We use prepositions of place to talk about things around us. So let's learn about this together. I play sports. I play tennis and football. In my room, there is a tennis ball and a football. Where is the tennis ball now? The ball is in the box. Where is the ball now? It's on the table. And where is it now? It's next to the box. Let's look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. Can you find the prepositions? That's right. In, on, and next are prepositions. Let's look carefully at the sentences. What does the word in tell us about the ball? In means that the ball is inside the box. We use in when something is in a place or container. What does the word on tell us about the ball? On means that the ball is on the surface of the desk. And what about the word next? What does that tell us about the ball? Next is a word that means the ball is close to the box. So, what are prepositions of place and when do we use them? A preposition is a word that goes before a noun or pronoun. A preposition of place shows the position of something. You use prepositions of place to describe the position of something in relation to another thing. For example, in a room or office. Some of the main prepositions of place are in, on, next, beside, between, and under. Let's look at a few examples. The apples are in the fridge. The pen is on the desk. The cat is under the tree. Let's move on. How can you make sentences with prepositions of place? Let's look at one of the examples from before. The ball is in the box. From the example, we can see that prepositions are used after the verb to be. Let's look at some examples using in, on, and next. The pencil is in the case. The phone was on the cabinet. The ball is next to the sofa. Let's look at some more prepositions of place. Let's look at beside, between, and under. As with other prepositions, they are used after the verb to be. Let's look at some examples. The dog is beside the door. The pen is between the book and computer. The football is under the chair. Now you can use prepositions of place. Today we covered what is a preposition of place, using in, on and next, and using beside, between and under. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.